We are group 6. I'm Chandler. I am the group leader. We've all been a group before in other classes, so we know each other pretty well. We discussed some topics this previous week of different dynamic systems. We kind of boiled it down to 3 that we're really interested in. The first one would be a suspension system of a car wheel. The second would be a grandfather clock, the pendulum of a grandfather clock, both damped and undamped. And then the last one is just a electrical circuit. A little vague with that, but we're pretty interested in that as well. And then now we'll just go to our introduction slide so we can kind of give you a brief intro into each one of us.
I'm Kaleb Roth. My career goals include getting a master's here in mechanical engineering at Mines through the accelerated program. And down the road, I'd like to pass my FE exam this year and then become a professional engineer in mechanical engineering. My hobbies are football. I'm on the football team here, 3D printing, CAD and CAM software, mostly SolidWorks. And then I like spending time with friends also.
My name is Chandler Callejo. My career goals include getting a master's here at the School of Mines in Mechanical Engineering. And then I eventually want to work in the national defense industry. My hobbies include, just like Caleb, I play on the football team. I like snowboarding back home in Colorado. And then I like hiking and fishing as well.
I'm Tony Monroe Jr. My professional goals also include getting a master's in mechanical engineering, and eventually down the road, then during my career, I'd like to open my own company in the STEM field. I'd like to work for myself. My hobbies also include football. I'm on the football team here at Mines. I enjoy fishing and eating. Reselling, and I'd resell a little bit to make some money on the side, and then 3D printing.
Hi, I'm McCoy Bila, go by Coy. Like the previous 3, I'm also would like to obtain my master's in mechanical engineering through the accelerated master's program. I think I want to work in design and kind of like the mechatronics world, but that's still to be determined. My hobbies include watching sports, love to watch any kind of sport, playing with my dog Sadie. I like to travel and hike, hang out with friends, and then I collect vinyls, like records. So I think that's pretty interesting.
Then my name is Garrett Ames. Unlike the previous 4, I'm just going for my bachelor's of science in mechanical engineering. And then eventually I'd like to work while just like traveling the world, whether that's with engineering or something else. My hobbies include listening to music, watching just TV, YouTube, playing basketball, hanging out with friends, and fishing.
Okay, so moving on, we briefly discussed the issues that we got to face next week. The main one is the gyro scrum board that we're going to be dealing with. So that's the main thing that we discussed this week. And I think that is about it. We're going to meet together at least a couple times a week, probably in person since we all know each other pretty well, and we'll get on top of this project immediately.